We shall now take more exercises on evaluation of mixed calculations involving standard forms. Example 1, we are asked to find the square root of 9.65 times 10 raised to the power of 6. This can be expressed as, you express this as a whole number, this becomes square root of 965 times 10 raised to the power of, I have moved the decimal point twice, that gives me 10 raised to the power of 4. This is equal to square root of 965 times square root of 10 to the power 4. And if you punch your calculator, square root of 965 is equal to 31.06. So we have 31.06 times 10 raised to the power of, square root of 10 raised to the power of 4 is said to be 10 raised to the power of 2. Now writing this in standard form, this is equal to 3.106 times 10 raised to the power of, I have moved the decimal point once to my left, that is equal to 10 raised to the power of 3. So this is your answer expressed in standard form.